And this is going to be exciting. I've been waiting for this for quite some time. Now, I'm going to show you a couple of pictures here where we're around the ranch, and we have to often do things. Well, just recently we had to get some snow off the garage roof and the house, but for trimming trees, or working on the windmill, putting up lights and so on, we often have to get up fairly high. We use ladders, but you know, there's problems with ladders. I spotted this thing on the internet, and I looked at it. I looked at it. It looked great, so I bought it. Now, this is the first time I've ever bought a thing from VEVOR. I don't know if you guys are aware of VEVOR. VEVOR is like Amazon. It's like Amazon. It's smaller, growing. I think you guys that work around the ranch, if you have a tractor, then you'll take a look at this and say, gosh, that's a great idea. Okay, here we go. I'll open it up quickly. Ta-da! It's yellow. Oh, look at that, eh? In case you hadn't noticed, it's yellow. I'm going to get this out, get it all together, see you in a few minutes. Okay, guys, here we are, all assembled, ready to go. Now, you notice right now it's just leaning up against the wall, how compact it is. Watch this, okay? Surprisingly light. Whip it around like this. Now we just have to line it up, the forks in line, pick it up and give it a try. Okay, there we go. It's on the forks. Just a simple matter of adjusting the forks. Now, you notice that two of these wheels have a little hook on them, onto which you put this piece of safety chain. And the safety chain runs around like this, fastens to the fork. Fork clips into place on those wheels. Now, that safety chain, of course, obviously is there to keep this from falling off. Good idea. Now let's see what happens. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Just say easy. And there's a safety latch there, and safety latch right there. There you go. There's your bucket. The door has to be put on separately because it won't lay down in there. So the door fastens just like this. One pin on top, like so. Hinge pin with a safety clip. And then another safety pin on the bottom. And then it also has a safety latch that goes in like so. Just that simple. So now what do? Well, the rest is easy. Now, you just climb into your bucket and you put on the safety latch. And now I'm going to go up. What will I do today? I think today I'm going to check the eaves troughs, okay? See how they are. We just got through winter, so let me go up. Diana, take me up there. We'll check out the eaves troughs, okay? What do you think of that, guys? Yep, my bucket lift. Personnel lift. There you go. This goes much higher than this. Our tractor goes up, another 3 or 4 feet. But this is perfect. I can go along here now and check out the... some of these screws are loose. That's from the ice over the wintertime. So these are a bit I can go along and fix these up. I notice there's a couple of dents here in the eaves trough as well. I'll have to get out I'll have to get my Gutter Saver Pro. Is that what it's called? Yeah, my Gutter Saver Pro. Kevin will put a link on. That's a neat device, so I don't hurt this anymore. But maybe if I'm using this more often, I won't. Anyway, point is, I'm up here. I can check this great roof. We just had a new roof put on by those good guys at Crystal Clear Roofing, Aaron and his gang. Nice new roof. Gutters cleaned out. Looks pretty good. Now we can go and trim the trees, right? And then take off the Christmas lights. This thing is going to get a lot of use. I think it's great. Okay, guys, that's it. ALEC Peirce at the ranch.